Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol BMSN. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one multiple times. I think the last time I did it was back in early December, but nonetheless had a bunch of questions coming on it today, and I can see why. Very nice move today, and overall a very nice short-term chart. So what do I mean by short-term chart? Well, you can see here price really came to life here, and then it went through the important phase of, was this a truly strong move, or was this just going to roll back over? Well, you can see went through a little bit of consolidation, but held its gains, and then today has now put in new highs, and with the new high, all sorts of bullish events happened in terms of price action. So the first one is it got above this pink line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average, and let's see, just out of curiosity, you can see it's been a long time since the price has been up above that. So good to see that the bulls were able to push above it, but not only that, close above it. And then on top of breaking through that important level of resistance, you can see that this level here, and that level being at 0027, was a very stubborn level of resistance. You can see knocked down the price there, knocked it down there, knocked it down there. So you get the point. All sorts of times this 007 kept pushing back the bulls. However, today broke through it and then closed all the way up there at 003. So a very nice day, and as I hinted at, a very nice short-term chart here. So where are we at in terms of future levels of resistance? Just supports, if you didn't get that, first level going to be the 0027, very important level of support. Next one will be down here at 0025, that's this pink line here, the 200-day simple moving average. So those will be the two areas of support that you'll ideally want to see hold. Now, in terms of resistances, the big one here and next kind of big strength gauger in terms of the strength of the move is going to be right here. I'll change that to red real quick to represent resistance, and then we'll go back through the history of the chart and I'll point out where that comes from. But if you go back here, you can see multiple times, and I'm not going to count them because that'd take a little too long, but all sorts of times this area knocked down the price here. You can see when it was able to get above it, then the price made a big move here. However, when it dropped back below it, things really crumbled again, and that level's up there at 0032. So that'll be the next key area of resistance that you'll want to see the bulls fight through, and then after that up there at 0038. But one step at a time. Let's see if the bulls can start to put some closes above here. If it does consolidate again, then you just want to see history repeat itself like it did back here. Go through a little consolidation before heading back up. But all in all, nice looking chart, so it'll be interesting and entertaining to see how this one unfolds for the remainder of the week. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd like to direct your attention down here to my private trading group. What it is, it's just a group of traders from beginner to advanced level. I send out weekly trade alerts and my power profit scans, and it's just a good environment to learn in. It's one of those things where whether you're new or advanced, there's something for everybody. There is a live chat room coming soon, so if you want to hang out with me and other quality traders, then you will soon be able to do that. However, when that function is available, there will be a pricing change, and I promise that's not a sales gimmick. The price will be changing soon, so I'd encourage you to take advantage of the current offer. But at the end of the day, don't take my word for it. Click up there and read some of the testimonials and see what other members who've already signed up are saying, and that's a good unbiased third-party perspective. So again, this was BMSN. Thanks for listening, and have a good one.